Hey guys, I'm Mukita and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here then welcome to my channel. So guys, today I have some summer skincare products with me. So I have this Upton face wash, this herbal face pack, a sunscreen, and this chocolate lip balm. And guys, I got all these products for only 5.99 rupees. You know how? So I have received all these products from Bman. If you don't know Bman, let me tell you guys, Bman is an India's first customized unisex grooming subscription box, and in this video I'm going to talk about all the details of Bman and a little bit about this product. But before moving on to the video, make sure to click that subscribe button, hit that all notification bell so that you can get notified all the time I upload a new video. And yeah, now let's move on to the video. So this Bman subscription box is a unisex customized grooming subscription box. That means they have service for both men and women, and here you can customize your products. Means you can choose whichever the product you want, not exactly the brands but the kind of product you want, because you will getting a form and you have to fill up all the details. And here in each category, either this is men's subscription box or women's subscription box, they have 3 levels: the beginner level, amateur level, and elite level. And guys, they have sent me this beginner box, and not only those 4 products I have shown in the beginning of the video, I have received some other free products too. And now I'm gonna show you all the products I have received in this subscription box. So yeah, let's see what we have in this box. Now these are the products I have received. This is their thank you card. Hey Ankita, thanks for subscribing our grooming box. Hope to see you next month, Bman. And these are their social media details. This is their user guide, like how to use the products and all. And this is also a Bman sticker. And also I have received this pouch which I can use to carry my stuffs. Like, it's a very good quality pouch. So these are the complimentary things. Now move on to the products I have. So the first product I have this Omson's Upton face wash with turmeric and saffron. This is specially for tan removal. Here they have mentioned the ingredients list, direction of use, manufacture details, etc. And that's how the product looks like. It has some very fine scrubbing particles, and this is paraben free, SLS free, silicone free, and made in India product. Next product I have this face pack. This is the Nature Bone Herbal Face Pack, and that is how the product looks like. It has the ingredients like aloe vera extract, sandalwood extract, curcuma aromatic extract. So I think it's gonna be very hydrating face pack. And guys, this is especially for natural skin care, dead skin cells removal, and also blackheads and acne removal. Next I have this sunscreen, and this is from the brand Up to Date Premium. This is vitamin C sunscreen with SPF 40, and here they have mentioned the ingredients list, direction of use, etc, etc. Now it comes within a pump bottle, and that is how the product looks like. It absorbed completely, it is non-sticky and non-greasy. And the next product I have this hot chocolate lip balm from the brand Shavon Care. And guys, that is how the lip balm looks like. It's a very lightweight lip balm, and it has ingredients like cocoa butter, argan oil, shea butter, wax, castor oil, petroleum jelly, etc, etc. So these are the products I have choose for myself. And guys, I have also received a free gift from Bman, and I have received this papaya fairness facial mask. Now here I am a little bit disappointed. First of all, this is a fairness facial mask, and I am very much against of any fairness product because I love my skin tone. And the second thing is, this is made in Korea product. Now I don't have any problem with any Korean products. In fact, I love to use Korean products. But let me tell you guys, rest of the products they have sent me, these are made in India product, and I will appreciate this freebie more if it was any Indian product. And guys, this is just my personal opinion. That's it. Now let's quickly talk about the order process. And guys, I will share the Bman website link into the description. You have to just go to on their website, click that get start button, and you have to fill up the form, and you have to provide some information like emails, products you want. Here you can choose the products, like either you want to go for face care box or for hair care box, or face plus hair care box, like this. And then you have to provide your name and address, etc., and then just submit the form, and they will send you your subscription box. So that's all about this subscription box. And guys, all the products I have received from Bman are paraben free, SLS free and sulfate free product. And guys, the best thing about this subscription service is that I can pick the product I want, and also this box helped me to identify a lot of new Indian brands which I have never heard before. And also this is an unisex subscription service, so there are a lot of my friends, I'm talking about the boys, and they are always like, ये लड़कियों की क्रीम तो नहीं है, ये लड़के यूज़ कर सकते हैं. So this is, I think, a good platform for you guys. You just need to fill up the form correctly, and you don't need to worry about the brand, or either this is for girls or for boys. You just need to fill up the form correctly, and they will send you the right product. So I think this is a very good thing. And also guys, there is some cons as well. Like if you are a very much brand specific, then this is not for you. But if you love to explore a lot of brands like me, then this will be the last stop for you guys. And yeah, that's all for this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys, follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.